5 home remedies for get rid of swimmer's ear. Swimmer ear is caused by an infection of the outer ear canal and the portion of the ear that runs from the outside of your head to the eardrum. This can be caused by the water remaining in the ear after you have been swimming, which creates a moist environment that is ideal for the bacteria to grow. In most cases, this condition can be treated with medicated ear drops. However, swimmers' ear have remedies and also been helpful. Treating swimmer ears quickly, you can help to avoid a more severe infection to the other complications. Number 1 is breast milk. The use of the breast milk is a popular remedy for ear infections. The natural antibodies in this and help to fight off the infections quickly, and it also alleviates the swelling and pain. Lie down to your sides when the infected ear flapping underwater. Use a dropper and a few drops of the breast milk into the affected ear and wait for a couple of minutes, then tilt your head to drain out the excess fluid and repeat every few hours as needed. Number 2 is orange juice. According to Ayurveda, onion juice is a very good treatment option, and this juice acts as effective disinfectant and provides relief from the pain within a short time after use. Extract the juice of 1 small onion, heat the juice in the microwave for a few seconds, put 2 to 3 drops of the warm juice into the affected ear, wait for 5 minutes, then tilt your head to drain out the fluid. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times a day. Number 3 is holy basil. Another good uridic remedy is the holy basil. Its antibiotic nature helps to fight off the infection and provides the relief from the pain. It's a good treating fluid discharges. Extract the juice 4 to 5 basil leaves, heat the juice slightly and lukewarm water. Lie down and use a dropper to put 2 to 3 drops into the infected ear. Wait for 5 minutes, then tilt your head to allow the fluid to drain out. Repeat this process twice daily. Number 4 is avoid palladium producing foods. To reduce the pus and fluid discharges, it is important to keep an eye on your diet and eliminate the palladium producing food. Such foods may worsen the condition and delay the healing process. Some of the palladium producing foods are milled rice, rye, barley, sugar, lentils, milk, yogurt, cheese, bananas, corn, cabbage, and potatoes. Also avoid charcoal and caffeinated beverages. Try to eat more foods that help to relieve the palladium, such as garlic, celery, and onions, parsley, leafy green berries, broccoli, and bell peppers. Also include omega-3 fatty acid-rich food like fatty fish, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnut in your diet to promote and reduce the inflammation accompanying the infection. Number 5 is humidifier. Humidification can help a lot when suffering from ear infection as well as upper respiratory tract infection. Low humidity may aggravate the middle ear infection by causing nasal swellings and reducing the ventilation of the eustachian tube. This will increase the fluid secretion. To help to reduce the problem, place a humidifier in your bedroom. A cool mist humidifier is recommended. Also your home and office. You can also a portable humidifier that can easily move from a home to room or room to room. Additional tips. To keep your ears dry and prevent further irrigation, it is important to refrain away from the swimming and other underwater sports until you get rid of the infections completely. Do not use earplugs, hearing aids or headphones. Do not use foreign objects such as cotton swabs or paper clips. Be careful when using hair sprays and hair dyes. If you love swimming, consider wearing earplugs and then make sure to dry your ears with a towel. If water enters your ear, turn your head from side to side to drain it out. Avoid swimming in pools where they may have a high bacterial content.